Okay, this is a New Age Survival Tech update on the Ironman build. Um, this is my dummy. He's dumber. He's the shop kitty. Yes, yes. Anyways, wanted to show I'm about to finish up the epoxying and maybe some touch-ups in some places. This is the area that I got to finish. Across here. And then once that's done, I'll do a bit of sanding, figure out where I need to add more. I'll put it on the scale. I was wondering. Alright, so the helmet weighs 3 pounds. Okay. That's the, just so you can see, this is an exhaust fan. Reversible, so you can expel the air inside if you got smoke inside your helmets, or bring in fresh air. I have a grid here, and that's where the air goes in at. Alright, so I'm going to finish the epoxy. Here's the faceplate, by the way. It's come a long ways. It's got the new cameras installed. You can see the pits and stuff, but it has a raw look to it. Stainless steel strip protection for the bridge of the nose. It goes all the way up, comes out at the top. I left the left and the right side flexible, but they are quite sturdy. Alright, so basically, I'm working on the hinge system, and then I got to work on the seal. Okay, alright, that was just a quick update and also documentation on the continuing build.